Hey guys, this is Abhishek from gadgetjuice.com, and today we are going to review the Olioclip extra lenses which you can buy for iPhone 5 and 5s, and we have the package with us. I have already unboxed the package and I have used these lenses. These lenses are right now inside this small bag which comes within the package itself to actually carry the lenses, and it has some covers as well, some other things as well. So let me first of all show you the package. This is how the package look like. Again, the package does not contain anything as of now, but I would like to tell you what all you can do with the lenses which you get within the package. So you have a fisheye lens, you have a wide angle lens, you have a macro lens, and then you have macro lens which can be used in 15x mode or in 10x mode as well. And again, as you can see on this side, you can actually see that it says 4-in-1 photo lens. So because all the lenses are actually over here and in between that, basically the black part, this is how you can actually mount this particular lens onto your iPhone. And once you have done that, you will see these three lenses which can be detached from each other. The first one, the bigger one, is called the fisheye lens. The middle one is the macro lens 15x, and then you have a wide angle lens on the other side, and this is how it will look like. And these are the kind of photos you can take. You can take you can take very good amount of very amazing photos with the fisheye lens, basically covering a lot of area, especially whenever you are going inside a tube or something like that. You can actually take photos. You can take very good photos with wide angle lens, especially if you are going on a road. And then you have macro lens with which you can take photos of very small objects very clearly and with good amount of detail. And then you have the other mode of the macro lens as well, and you do have a panorama mode as well which you can actually use with these lenses. So with the wide angle lens, you can actually take a panorama much better than the actual panorama which you take on iPhone. So this is how they will look and they will work. Again, they are suitable to be worked with iPhone 5, 5s, or with iPod Touch as well. You can use them. You have an additional clipper which actually allows you to mount these over the iPod Touch as well. So this is how it will work like. And again, they are made up of very good quality of aluminum material which is on the outer edges, which actually makes these lenses pretty good in terms of the overall build quality. They're kind of solid. So let's keep the package aside and let me just show you these lenses. So as you can see, this is the complete package you get, and you also get this additional clip for iPod Touch in case you need it. And these are the lenses with this particular section over here which goes over the iPhone. And then you have the lens covers which also come within the package. So this is the lens cover one. This is the wide angle lens which we have, as you can see. And again, the overall build quality of these lenses is pretty good. This is all aluminum, and this is how the lens looks like, pretty good. And then over here we have the fisheye lens. So this is the fisheye lens which we have. You can always clean these lenses with this bag as well, because it is actually made up of very soft material, so you can clean them. And again, if you want to take a look over the macro lens, you have two macro lenses. One is 15x, the other one is 10x. On this side we have the macro lens with 15x, and this side we have it with 10x, as you can see. So you can first of all mount these this particular arrangement over the iPhone like this, or you can mount it like this as well. So it has these cutouts over here which actually make sure that the power and sleep key get into this mount very easily. There is no blockage, or there is no problem. However, the power and sleep key becomes inaccessible when you are using this. So this is how you can fit them. And let me just take a photo of some very minute text or some object which is kind of very small. Let me just first of all launch the camera over here. So as you can see, right now it is not focusing, but I have to actually make sure that I am to move very closer to any object or anything which I can read in detail. Okay. So make sure first of all you have good amount of light falling on the subject so that it can focus. So once you move the lens and basically the lens arrangement with the iPhone closer to the object, which is kind of minute, then you can actually read things in detail. So this is how you can take a photo in the macro mode. As you can see, this text is very small. You might not be able to read it over here on this camera, but with the macro lens I have taken a photo like this, which is pretty crisp and clear, and it is readable as well. So this is how you can take the photos of minute object. And then we have this one as well. Let me just try this one as well now. So again, this one is slightly more powerful. Okay. So you have to make sure that you are very close to the subject, only then it will focus, and then you can take the photo. So I've just taken the photo again. This photo, if I try to take it with the normal camera on iPhone, this is how it will look like. See, so it is actually not focusing at all on this minute text, which is actually a problem. So for very minute objects you can always use these lenses. You also have this lens with this wide angle lens basically over here, which you can mount over here, and the fisheye one which you can mount over here. So now the arrangement is complete. And now if you add these lenses in this way, this is how you can take a photo in the fisheye effect, as you can see, and make sure that setup is right. So this is how you will get the photo in the fisheye arrangement. You can take the photo of your room as well. I've taken a photo which I can show you quickly, which is of my room, which is kind of haphazard right now, but still I can show you quickly how does it look like when you take a photo in a fisheye mode. So this is how it looks like. And if I show you another photo which I have taken, so this is another photo which I have taken in the fisheye mode, which looks pretty good, I would say. So this is how you can actually have a different kind of effect with the fisheye lens which we have on the device over here on this particular extra lenses. And then you have a wide angle lens as well. So I can show you how does the wide angle actually work. First of all, launch the camera, and this is the complete view you can have with the normal iPhone camera. And if you attach this lens, which is the wide angle lens, see the difference. So this is the complete view, and if I add this lens, see, good amount of area has been added both on the right as well as on the left. And if I remove this, now you have it like this. So this is the major difference you will get, especially when you add a wide angle lens. You can actually cover a lot more area with the same iPhone 5 camera with this extra lens. So these are all the lenses and different kind of modes and different kind of photo modes basically, which I wanted to explain you. That's all from us. You can buy these lenses online from the Olioclip website, and again these are the ones which I am using for review, so they're not for sale, but you can always buy them from their website. They will not cost you much, but they are worth the money, especially in case you use your iPhone for all the photography needs you have. You can actually take very good shots with these lenses, which you can additionally buy. So that's all from us. Do let me know if you have any specific questions for this device or for these lenses. Basically, I would love to help you. You can like this video if this video helped you by clicking the like button below. You can subscribe to our YouTube video channel for more videos like this by clicking the subscribe button below. Thanks for watching this video. This is Abhishek signing off. Thank you.